Oh my god, do you like Campari and rum?
I know somebody who doesn't.
Watch this video and find out.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derek.
I'm making a drink. No Ian.
No Ian this week.
This is a no Ian month.
Right.
But
next month.
He hasn't been kicked off. He didn't leave.
He's not buried in the basement. He's
No.
in the basement.
He's a
bigger dude. He wouldn't fit here.
He's just on vacation.
He's just on vacation.
So
he'll be back. So don't yell at me.
Ian is in New
Ian's
Jersey.
gonna be back.
Dan is right here.
Yes.
Representing the 603 as we make the Lost at Sea.
That's right.
See what he did there?
And what's in it?
So
some shit.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, so
all right.
Here we go.
Hit me up.
1 ounce of Smith & Cross rum, 1 ounce of Blackstrap rum, 3/4 ounce of Campari, 3/4 ounce of Carpano Antica, and 2 dashes of orange bitters. Also, a Negroni riff spin-off type thing. The executive producer, by the way, is King Parker X100, one of our YouTube members. Click on the little join button, boom, and you can become a member and give us like $5 a month. You can spare $5 a month. Trust me. My kids spend more than that on video games. So, in a day. So, what else did I want to say? Oh yeah, this is that. I'm not going to do it. But, because it's too long. It's too complex.
What are you doing?
This is the drink that we could smoke with cinnamon and do the glass.
Oh, see?
I mean,
it's always fun to, like, smoke shit.
If you want me to, I will get cinnamon and we'll smoke it. That's up to you.
I think we should smoke it.
We could jump cut if needed, but you're still building the drink. Here's the drink.
Yeah,
combine all the ingredients, shake it, you're done.
You'll see.
Does this have or shot?
I'm doing it right
I
now.
don't say or shot.
It doesn't. It doesn't have either one of these things in it.
Okay, just wondering.
I was just drinking those on my own.
Okay.
We'll just push those over
Smoking
there.
gun. Is this battery operated? How does this work? Oh, it is.
It better be.
It is.
Okay, it works. We're good.
You said you knew how all this stuff works.
I just need fire. I don't remember where I put the fire.
Don't you need a chip or wisdom?
Cinnamon?
Oh, yeah.
So 3/4 of this. Lost at Sea. This is going to be an interesting drink. Orange bitters. He's looking for some smoking shit.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Oh, he's just looking for cinnamon.
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 What bitters are those?
These are orange bitters.
Yeah.
Just straight up, I hope. No, these are Trinity bitters.
What? Trinity bitters.
Okay, so we're using Trinity bitters and not orange bitters.
Right.
So you can use either one.
Trinity has orange in it.
Trinity has orange in it.
It has other flavors,
And
including
we have,
cherry.
like, do you want some spices?
So Trinity has a few things.
You got your cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Oh, this is no. We don't. Now it's gonna turn into tonic.
You got your cinnamon right here.
Coriander. I was right. What? Yeah, but those are full. We can use those. That's fine.
You have cinnamon.
Cherry bark.
Cherry bark.
Cinnamon chips.
Cinnamon chips.
Those are easy to burn.
Nice.
We have I thought I had a flame down here. And you should always have a box of like herbs.
Why not?
Do we have fire? There used to be.
I do not see
Probably gotta go upstairs and get the thingy.
any fire. Didn't you have like a? There you go.
Yeah, it is the torch.
Oh, the crack
Should
lighter.
work. Crack lighter. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna take one of these glasses. We're gonna take these. We're gonna put them in here. Now, if you're like, what is this? The smoking gun is a device that is like, imagine if you had a bong, but you wanted to automate it because you didn't want to breathe it in.
That
This
sounds
is all
good to me.
this is. It's a vacuum that when you light it, it
We should be
smokes.
smoking.
We did the
Take this.
Death Star, right?
Yeah,
What?
we did. Yeah, the Death Star was.
Yep, the Death
That
Star.
one was interesting.
So we're gonna take this. We're gonna light it. We'll cook it up. That should be good. You get the smoke in there. It's coming out the bottom. So we need more smoke. Bring on the smoke!
We need more smoke.
There you go. Oh yeah!
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Good?
Good.
Because like I mean the whole place is smoke, so there should be some under there. Pour it in. Oh, did you shake it yet?
No.
Oh, well then here. Yeah, that's good. Whatever. I can put some more in there. Let's do it.
Smoke it.
Oh yeah! Smoke some of the ice.
Smoke some of the ice.
Look at that.
Smoke it all.
What do you need now?
Stuff.
Oh yeah.
All right.
It's pretty cinnamony in here. Move this. I don't know where to put this. We'll put it right here. Maybe we can start a fire. Stick that right there.
Oh, that's a weird color.
It is a weird color. It's a
Well,
Campari.
Campari in the rum.
Yeah.
Oh, that fell.
Oh, that happened.
That happened. That's cool looking.
We just hotboxed the bar.
We did. I'm getting high off of
Cinnamon.
cassia.
We just gotta start burning some other shit.
Yeah. Yes,
That's a different show.
Yeah. I still have my clearance.
Nice.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
I can't take
does.
it away.
It looks like a jungle bird a little bit. Ooh. So. What are you doing?
Dan's a fan.
That's really good. Hold on. Maybe it was just the initial sip.
Lost at sea. Dan is lost at sea.
Oh, now that
Oh my God.
This way.
Fucking drink is lost at sea.
We put a lot of work into this. What are you talking about?
He's like, yeah, it wasn't worth it.
Oh, holy shit. You know what I was saying? Campari wasn't bitter? Just like,
Really?
See?
I'm lost at why your reaction is so strong. Like,
you know what? Maybe it's the vermouth.
I don't know.
I've been drinking like a shit ton of Manhattans and everything, and I just...
So then Manhattan has vermouth.
I know.
So then
That's
you
what
should
he's saying. He doesn't understand.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So the vermouth will probably give you a little bit of bitter. The Campari's gonna give you bitter.
Someone give Dan the soy sauce stat.
Trinity bitters are not gonna give. I mean, it's citrus and like cherries and all the good
I
stuff.
don't know. Maybe it's a Campari
Vanilla.
with the rum. I just don't like it.
It doesn't bother me. To me, it tastes like kind of like the Jungle Bird and the tiki meets bitter. But the Jungle Bird was pretty tasty.
Yeah, I like
was
the
the
Jungle
sugar?
Bird.
Maybe the sugar in Jungle Bird. I can't remember.
Yeah, maybe because there's no sugar or juice. Or...
And I don't think the Blackstrap specific brand is going to matter. Like, this is Black Seal from Gosling's.
It's still blackstrappy.
It's still Blackstrappy. Smith & Cross is just...
Oh,
I get a lot of
Jesus.
Smith & Cross in here. It's
I
like
don't know. I can taste the smoke. And oh.
Maybe it's the smoked cinnamon.
Oh, maybe that. I don't know.
That's pretty fucking
I'm all
solid.
done tasting that. I'm all done. No more reactions from this side. I'm out. Go ahead, try it though. It's probably not bad.
It just doesn't bother me, and I'm waiting because I'm not a huge
It's
fan
just
of Campari.
like the Campari and the. I think it might be the Campari and the rum. It's just like it just. Ugh.
I mean, it does have a bitter draw at the finish. I get rum, cherry-like flavor, and then like maybe that's the Campari. I don't know. And there's some bitter finish, but it tastes like rum and bitter. There's a little bit of vermouthy taste, but I'm not a huge fan of vermouth to begin with. You get a little bit of fortified wine, but it doesn't. I'm surprised that bothers you.
It just bothers me.
I know Jennifer's not really gonna care for this drink.
Oh, Jen, I can't wait for you to take a sip of that
there's-
drink. Holy shit.
There's plenty of people where this drink won't work. So if you watch our show, which you should, you like and you subscribe, and you're like, I believe in what Dan believes in. Like, I tasted all the stuff that Dan really likes, and I like it too. The stuff Derrick drinks, not a big fan. Then this is probably not your drink. Like, there's people who can adopt the persona of the
True,
person that
yeah.
they've seen like drinks. Like
Derrick
Ian.
seems to drink anything.
Ian is more of the, I don't want to say pompous, but yes. He's got like that classic.
Oh, definitely.
Right, he's anti-college student drinks. He wants the classics, not the sweets. More spirits, more bitters.
Yeah.
Campari. So I think Ian would probably be okay with this drink. But he
I don't
usually
even know
is.
about that.
It's got the
Steven loves
Negroni
this
flavors.
drink.
Oh really?
I will say this. I love this drink.
This drink was submitted
Have you
by
made this drink?
John Spikes, I think. Liquor.com. From Andrew Larson, creative lead at the Nolan in San Diego. So this is
I
a
get it.
real
I don't
drink.
know. There's just something with the taste. I don't. Hurt my eyeballs.
So you saw Dan's reaction. It was quite visceral. I did not have one, and I'm not a big fan of Campari. So you have to combine that together.
Ian would have come in.
Yeah.
It would have been interesting to see what Ian thought about that because he loves like Negronis and those drinks.
I feel like he would have been staring at you the whole time going, what the fuck's wrong with you?
I don't know. Sometimes we have the same taste when it comes to like drinks we don't like.
But he likes...
But he does like these drinks. I don't know. Maybe it's the rum and the... I don't know. I
don't mind the rum and Campari. But I like rum. Maybe that's why I like the Campari, because the rum's playing in.
I don't know. There's just something like it hits me and I'm like, oh.
See, what I've been doing, if you guys haven't noticed, is whenever Dan does something that's just like facially, like he's doing something, I like to zoom in and cut in right in close.
Thanks. It's awesome.
Like sometimes you're just like...
It's awesome.
You know, so you see those... And it really always is you. Like, once in a while it's me... Sometimes it'll be Ian, but most of the time, in every like third video, there's at least one close-up of you doing like, really?
I'm just telling you like it is. Yeah. You want to know what it tastes like?
We're here to be honest with you. So, with that being said, even if you don't ever want to try this specific cocktail, you should get yourself some Trinity Bitters, because why wouldn't you? They're at Osterix.com. This is the Trinity Bitters is Bitter Cube's answer to 3 Trinity bitters, right? So if you wanted to try Bitter Cube Cherry Bark Vanilla, you want to try their Orange, and you wanted to try, there's another one in there. I said this every time. Cherry Bark Vanilla, Orange, Boulevard I think it is.
Yes.
That's more of their bittering bitter. So you've got your cherries, you've got your vanillas, you've got your bitter, and you've got your orange, all in a single one bitter, which works for both your clears and your darks, like gins and whiskeys and all that crap. Mm-hmm. So it's a fill-all. Covers everything. You only need 1 bottle. But why buy one bottle? You buy 10!
Exactly.
Just use coupon code BITTER. Save yourself 15%.
You need a range of bitters.
Yeah. You mean you don't have to get crazy. I have a lot of fucking bitters. I have more bitters than I have spirits. Not true, but close. You could just get a good, like a citrus, a good aromatic one, like a Ongo or Serrano bitters. If you like spicy stuff. We done some of that this week.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
In a second.
All right. That's it. Now we have, because it's a live stream, we have to have Jennifer come up here and do a shot of Campari. Unfortunately, you guys don't get to see that because you didn't watch the live stream.
Yeah, so you miss out.
There's your missing out.
She's going to take a shot of that drink. It's probably worse than doing the Campari.
Could be.
Yeah.
Sidebar.
We'll find out.
More videos on the side, down below, Bartender Starter Kit. Get that where you pick up your bitters at AwesomeDrinks.com. We're teaching you how to drink.